Hey, in this video, I want to show you how you can have your own private label products that you can brand to make your own. I'm going to exactly teaching you how to private label your own products. So I showed you already how to fulfill products so far. First off, we can create our own and have things like t-shirts, mugs, cell phone cases, necklaces, all of these products and platforms available for you out there to quickly build and have your product for sale. And that's one of the options you can go. Okay, the next option that I want to talk about, that I talked to you about, it's setting up arbitrage and drop shipping, where you can find any products that are doing well out there and selling effectively, and you can just mark up the price at least 30-40%, sell those products on your store, and then when someone purchases that product, you go buy it on eBay. It can be Amazon, or whenever we have found it, and we get a little marked up price. This video instead is about a third option that is called private labeling, which means creating your own specific brands and getting your own products out there. This option is, in my opinion, really the best option for margins and to really make as much money as possible in building an authority and long-lasting, unique brand. This is basically how it works. I'm going to show you. Pretty much all the products out there has a manufacturer, right? Certain middlemen, they go to that create the pieces, create the product, and they simply ship them to where you are, either arbitraging or you're creating the product on the launch platforms. Whatever it might be, they are using it straight to the manufacturer source, and that's exactly what private labeling can do for you, where you can take these same products that you have been selling. Let's say, for example, a certain hair product, and you can find it on a site like Alibaba.com. I'm here right now. You just type Alibaba on the search box, and which Alibaba pretty much connects all of the major trade sites and traders out there, manufacturers and anyone who creates products. For this example, I'm going to show you how to use this website, okay? Because it's just incredible. This method is best used when you make a bulk purchase and hold the inventory. Alibaba has been around for decades. It has long been the biggest website connecting Chinese manufacturers with marketers around the world. Today, it has grown incredibly well beyond China, and it connects manufacturers across the globe with marketers across the globe. I mean, like both of them. Alibaba.com is listed on the New York Stock Exchange too. So, like I said, you should already be creating your own brand name with the t-shirts, mugs, cell phone cases, necklaces that we have already discussed. You can further expand your brand with drop shipping, because a good drop shipper will label your shipments with your own brand invoice and promotional materials for other products that you offer. With all of these products, you should be making a profit of 30 to 40% at least. In reality, there are many sites that will connect you with manufacturers and dropshippers that will create your private label brand products. However, Alibaba.com extensive experience and close ties with Chinese manufacturers puts it heads and shoulders above all of the others. Like seriously, it puts you in direct contact with a global selection of manufacturers. Without any middlemen, you're able to purchase products for pennies on the dollar. This is the secret. These are the secrets, guys. I mean, seriously. Like, without you do have inventory costs, your profit margins would be much higher than with the other marketing methods that have been covered. Additionally, working directly with manufacturers, you are able to have the products packaged to your specifications and labeled with your specific brand, which is very important. One thing to keep in mind is that when you hold your own inventory, you incur the additional burden, of packaging and shipping the products to customers yourself. So for Alibaba.com, I'll use the hair care niche products as an example. So start by going to Alibaba, just create your account right here, sign in or just sign up, just create your account. Then I'm going to type here into the search box before drilling down to niche products such as, you can see right here all the type of products: hair extensions, wigs, os treatments, straighteners, trimmers, treatment products, etc. There are a ton of products. So I'm going to do a quick search now for hair products. You can see there are a lot of hair, extension products right here. There's a ton of products, and of course here, as you see, this gives you a huge number of options to explore. But that's not all. I mean, like, check here on the left. I mean, you have hair extension. There's over 1 million products here. Then you got wigs, 200,000, hair treatment, 24,000, shampoo, see more, false eyelashes and hair dye, all these products. But I'm going to focus on after, you can even niche down to hair oil products, hair oil products. So you can just do this and you can see a ton of different products in another sub niche. I'm going to type this one here because I wanted to show you a product that I used to sell very well. It was very successful, and it was it's called hair oil. Let me see if I can find it here. Oh, here we go. Hair oil right here. There was an aloe hair oil care. It was something like that. I don't know if I can find it here, but anyways, I'm just going to type it here. Hair oil care, which is this one right here. I used to sell a ton of this product. I mean, it was very successful. It was incredible. So as you can see, like, you just have to go through and find products in your niche. You can just go wrong here. So this is a product that I sold and I'm currently selling. But before making a purchase decision, what I want you to do now is that do your research, which includes like understanding the ingredients in hair care products, especially like if you want to sell in this niche. Do your research, look if the ingredients are legit, and see what makes up a quality winning piece so you can find the best quality private label products. Okay. Next, it's good to find 3 to 4 different suppliers manufacturing similar products. This because you can order samples from each one to test the products to make sure the quality is up to the standards that you want to place your brand name on. This is very important because no one likes crappy products. So there is a cost involved, of course, if you order from different manufacturers, but you can also have the samples packaged in your brand name to be sure the entire package and product are up to your standards. From the examples above here, for example here, the 4th product, no, actually this product right here, you see, this one, the aloe hair oil care product, cost as little as 50 cents up to $2.50 per unit. That is just plain peanuts, guys. I mean, compared to what you'll be able to sell it for. Just think about it for a second. You buy this at 50 cents, you can easily resell it. I'm currently selling at $9.99, which is the perfect, minimum price that make customers purchase like crazy, And minimum order, as you can see, is 6 pieces. So you just spend $3 for 6 pieces, which is a very tiny order. Typically, you buy at least a minimum of 100 and 1,000 pieces, and shipping can be very high. up there, especially when it's coming from China and stuff like that. But in this case, I have personally bought 100 pieces of this product at $50 that I then sell on my stores for at least, like I said, like it can range from $9.99 to $19.99. So 10, 20 bucks pretty much. I have, of course, other products that pay the low amount for, and then retail them for $19.99 up to $24.99. So you just have to look for them, okay? And of course, I'm shipping them from Amazon and eBay, and you spend like 5 to 10 bucks to get it there. So so you can see the big margin difference that is happening here, and there are all types of options to choose from. So guys, like I said, Alibaba is a gold mine. I mean, typically bulk orders are for between 100 to 1,000 units. Obviously, you want to start at the lower end until you have a firm relationship established with your manufacturer. You have to kind of test at first. Then what you need to do once you find your products that you want to private labeling, you need to get in contact with these suppliers, of course. So don't be shy and get in contact with them. Get a test order sent to your address. This way you will get to see the shipping time, you see how the package comes in, how it's done, how it's delivered, the product itself. You want to test all of these things out, and once you finally choose your best supplier, you just go ahead and place your first order. Now, once you will have your first order, you want to think about how you package all your products, okay? How you're going to ship them out. Think about to have a warehouse to store the products, or a place in your house if you don't have a store space or warehouse. Certainly, this is something you need to think about as well. Like I said, when it comes to margins and make the most money per sale, this is how it's done. Okay, I'm just telling you like the secrets, okay, in plain view. So this is how you're growing your brand. And eventually, with all the e-commerce stores, you want to get to the point where you have your own private label products almost across the board, and you get those mid margins growing your own unique brand. So this is how you get your own unique products out in the market with your own brands, guys. Hopefully you've caught onto the concept presented in this video. Just go back if you didn't understand something, but I'm pretty sure you get the main idea. To truly make a financial killing from e-commerce, you want to grow your business, grow your market share, and create your own private label brand. The best way of accomplishing this is through the incremental steps that you have just learned.